Teena, and today it is going to be not a highly requested video, but I feel like people had it coming because they always comment on my Instagram saying that I look like this person, and I guess you can see it from the titles. Why am I trying to be anonymous about it? It's a Khloe Kardashian inspired makeup tutorial. First of all, her looks are always neutral, so it's very easy to wear even if you go out, you go in daytime or nighttime. You can definitely do this look depending on how bold you are, of course. I played around with high-end and drugstore, so it's a mix of everything. It's nothing in particular to what she uses, but I just used what I felt like I wanted to use, just so you know. And also, I'm still blonde, so I thought might as well, and I always do this freaking hairstyle, so maybe that's why people just relate me to her. And I'm just wearing a t-shirt, so I'm really sorry. It's like really late tonight and I didn't want to be bothered so much, and I'm literally wearing like sweatpants, so I'm that dedicated on YouTube, guys. Okay, so ayun nga, I just really wanted to finish this makeup tutorial before I dyed my hair back to brunette. Talagang pinush ko to today kahit pagod na pagod ako. So if you guys want to learn how I made this look, then please stay and watch the tutorial. Hello! Okay, so I have a pimple, don't mind that. So I'm going to start my routine by cleansing my face with the Shida L cleansing water. This stuff smells super good. Super duper good, and it just takes everything off that's left on your face. And I'm going to moisturize my face with the Clinique moisturizer. My face has been dry lately, so I'm just going to extend it to my neck as well. And never forget to put your primer. I'm using the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, and hindi na naman ako focused. For foundation, I'm using Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation. I bought this in America, and it's really nice. It's very natural sa skin. Hindi siya ganun kakapal. At hindi na naman ako focus. Ayan. O, diba? Sorry na. For the brows, I'm using Face Shop Brow Master Eyebrow Pencil. It's very waxy, so it stays on longer than the normal eyebrow pencil. And I like it because it's really blonde. It's good for really light hair colors. And to fill in the extra spaces in my brows, I'm using the Real Lasting Eyeliner from K Palette. You can draw on kasi natural, ano matawag dyan? Hairs on your brows with it. Oh my god, Jace! Sorry about that. And to make the hair of my brows brown or light brown, I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise Mascara with fiber. So it's nice if you want it fuller, and especially to change the color of your brows. Okay, so the Kardashians love really on fleek brows. I personally cannot stand drawn on brows, but I'm just gonna try to clean it up a bit just to make it look like their brows. To prime my eyes, I'm just using the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base, and this is just really basic. I just love it. It's a staple. Just using the warmth of my fingers to spread it around my lids and also underneath, because we are going to put eyeshadows under there. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Palace, and it's new, so I'm really excited about it. For the transition shade, I'm using Burkina just on the outer corner. Parang medyo V-shaped siya, but like very subtle, like that. And then just slowly bring it inwards, just like that, but fade it in. Just for deeper warmth, I'm mixing these two colors together, Ada and Zulu. And I'm just going to pack that in the outer corner right there, just for an added warmth and redness. Para hindi lang naman siya masyadong neutral lang. And for a nice champagne color, this is Dahlia or Dahia. And I'm just going to put it in the area where wala pang eyeshadow. And for the lower lash line, I'm using Casabianca. It's just a warm kind of bronzy color. Just make sure that the lower lash line is connected to the end of the smoky eye ng upper. And to deepen it even more, I'm using Fulani dun sa mismong lash area. For the lower lash line, I'm using Fashion 21 eyeliner in dark brown. Khloe likes having her eyeliner, lalo na talagang up to the corners of the outer and inner. But it's very subtle. And then you just kind of blend it out a bit with a tiny brush, and then yun ay eyeliner niya. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using the J-Cat highlighter in Crystal Sand. This is super popping, and I'm telling you, if you want a potok highlighter, this is it. Also extending its inner corner there. The eyeliner we're using today is very new. It's Curvitude by Maybelline. I super love it. The wand is already slanted, so it's easier for application, and it's also really nice. Also picking up my ColourPop black eyeliner in Swerve, just putting in my waterline para lang very dark siya, walang kitang spaces for the lashes. So for mascara, I'm just using the Colossal and the FNS mascara for my upper and lower lashes. O, diba? Editing skills. Oh, with falsies too. For concealer, I'm using the Lock-It by Kat 1D. This is super duper high coverage. Pretty sure the Kardashians are not afraid of coverage. So this is what I'm using. And I'm just going to blend it again with my Miss Bella PH sponge. It's the best sponge, lalo na under the eye. It's perfect because it's edged. It will really go in the places where usually you can't reach with a normal sponge. For contour, I'm using Fenty in Amber just to give me a very cool contour, and then later we're going to add a more warm powder on top of it. I'm using this Beauty Cosmetics brush just to spread it all out and make sure that I don't have any harsh lines without spreading it too much because they do like a very strong contour. Sorry, I had to include that in because I super love the Greatest Showman and I'm just obsessed with it. So by the way, I'm using a smaller brush for my nose contour with the same product then. Using a good cream base to contour your nose will make it actually last longer. So I really like that together. And to set my face at para hindi tayo oily, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going directly where I put my concealers on because I don't want to get oily in that area most of all. And to set my cream base na nilagay ko dun sa contour, I'm using the Hoola from Benefit in Light. So it's a very light, warm color without looking too orangey. And I'm kind of gonna tan my face a bit because Khloe loves being tan and I'm just going to replicate that a little bit. Don't forget to set your nose ha para matangos ilong natin buong gabi. For blush, I'm using Love Struck in Babe. This is from JCat. The color of this is parang dark rosy. The Kardashians nga are not really afraid of blush like most artists in Hollywood. They don't really shy on using thick products, especially in highlight. This is JCat again, the one that we use in our inner corner. And it's really popping. I'm obsessed with this highlighter, and Khloe's one of the sisters that really puts on heavy highlighter, which I love about her because who doesn't want to highlight? Who doesn't want to be seen amongst the crowd of normal people? So just don't forget about the nose and the Cupid's bow because wala lang. Just don't forget it. Take a break muna tayo from liquid lipsticks and go on to a normal bullet. This is from Colorette in Chelsea. I super love it. It's a nice soft nude and it's perfect for a Khloe lip because she loves nude colors. And for a more natural spread, I'm just using my finger as to a brush because that kind of gives some more of a fake looking lip. So yeah, this is it. Oh, but then I have to add a gloss because that's just not Khloe without her lip gloss. So this is the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss and peach side just to top it all off, and then we're done. Yan, pwede na ako magpa-cute with my green contacts that you can buy from my online shop, link down below. Okay, so this is the final look of my Khloe Kardashian inspired makeup tutorial, and I really do think that I achieved it, especially that I'm still blonde, which I'm literally going to change in like a few hours. So I just thought might as well just make a tutorial of someone I look like, especially now that she's still blonde. So I just thought it was an opportunity and I just took it. So yeah. So I really like this. This is a really nice, like almost everyday kind of makeup that you can do. At the same time, you can tone it down or you can even bump it up. It's very neutral. It's very Khloe. She doesn't play with a lot of colors with her makeup. So it's very easy to wear basically. And it's also very easy to do. So I hope you guys like this tutorial and comment down below what look or what video you want me to do next. And I would really appreciate that, okay? So before I end the video, I will put the AngKikayKo of the day. Let's see who's active on my Instagram. Okay, I think I want to go to the DMs because I get a lot of messages from random girls. Okay, so this girl, her name is Kisai Romas, and like she's always messaging me on my stories. So if you want to be the next AngKikayKo of the day, just message me through my stories or reply to it. Or you can also just be active and keep liking all my photos so I will notice you. And next time I make a video, you will be the AngKikayKo of the day. It's that easy. So basically, I have nothing else to say. And with all that, oh, what? Okay, so that is it. If you have any more questions regarding all the products that I have used in this video, then please don't hesitate to message me or follow me on my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless! Mwah.